messed up at the beginning, so now it's going to be all wonky.
That's alright. You'll still get there.
It's not about getting there, it's about winning, huh? No way. I'm cold.
Because you're in the underground.
I know.
Should make it a bit quicker.
I want to go inside.
You're at a minute.
Pardon?
You're at a minute and you've got the first layer.
Yeah, I know, because Josh, don't expect me to speed through it.
Well, I'm expecting 2 minutes, what you said.
I don't think this is going to be 2 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
What?
You know how long it takes me to get there? You're at 1:30 just now.
Yeah, but then this bit I'm not good at.